Hi everyone. Welcome back. Did I tell you I was bad when I went to the bookstore with my little one? I did. I think I told you that. I had not planned on buying anything, but I went over there and I was like, let's just look and see. And I was just like, this is really cool. Now I probably could do some of this on my scan and cut, but I really thought this would be really cool to get this stamp set right here, even though I don't need it. I have some of the same things in different kits, but I like the magazines, and I like what, for the most part, most of the magazines have something that I can draw inspiration from. So it says, perfect for all card makers from beginner to advanced. It shows you all this right here. So let's just go ahead and look inside. It does come in a cardboard box to keep all the goodness on the inside, I guess. You all know that Hunkydory is pretty good paper quality. So, this was 25 USD. I do have a Borders membership, so it's a little, Barnes and Nobles, not Borders, Barnes and Nobles membership. We'll go over this last. I want to look at the magazine first, and then we'll look at the papers. Actually, you know what? No, we'll just do the stamps first, I guess. This is so pretty. Let me get that out of the way because it is some glare going on right there. All right, so there's a lot of stuff in here. Stamps and an embosser folder, and I think some cards. Oh, a die. This is really cute, and I bet you probably could make a shaker out of this if you are into that kind of thing. So you get, what is it, 4 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. That's really pretty. And the one thing that the scan and cut that I have does not do is, like, when you run your paper through the die, it has that kind of like embossing on there. It does not do that on any machine unless you have an embossing. Now the scan and cut does have embossing, but I didn't buy that. I just wanted it for the, well, Big Roommate didn't buy it. I don't need it yet, I don't think, because I just usually, if I want to cut something out and have it embossed, I'll run it through my embossing folder. Extra step, but it's not terribly hard. But if you can see, like, these little ridges, it embosses that, so it has that little, and it cuts that little detail out. So that's that. They doubled up and put everything in there in separate packages, I guess. Then you have this beautiful little diamond embossing folder, which is really cool. And you have these beautiful little stamps. She's a good size too for different projects, but this flower, I've seen this multiple times. Multiple times, different setup, but same little flower. It says "Scent with Love," so it says "Scent" SC, like a scent. Birthdays are made for shopping. You're fabulous. I can't see. Just for you, some glasses, a little butterfly package. Paris with flowers around it. Excuse me, the Eiffel Tower. Paris. Eiffel Tower with flowers around it. A butterfly. Sweet wishes. This little bag. This diamond bag. This, and then I already talked about this lady. So she's a good size, and I would definitely stamp her and cut her out on the scan and cut because she has solid lines all over. So we'll just put that to the side. We'll look at the magazine now. So it's a hunky-dory situation, and it says packed with card making ideas and inspiration. So let's just see if this magazine is dedicated to this. Okay. Hello, Lee. Lee wants us to know that she's sending us lots of information on lots of stuff. Uh, let's keep it going. And I want to see something. I won't say it until the very end. I just wanted to see if they're gonna have certain advertisements in here as well. So this is really cool. You see how they have this easel card. I like easel cards. You all know that. But it has the Eiffel Tower and has these flowers around with this little like jewels in the inside of that, which would be really, really cool to do. This is nice as well. I don't think I would do this one, but we could in these papers. I think some of the papers are already in there, so that'd be cool. You can do it yourself with your own papers, because maybe you don't like black and gold. Maybe you like blue and silver like I do. So Anne Marie is telling us what's in our kit. She's telling all about that over here. This, and you see how they go back and layer this embossing folder. I want to just read to you. We can't get enough of this lovely geometric star design. Use it in its entirety to create eye-catching background panels, or why not give the faux letterpress technique a try? Tracy Evans shows us how on page 56. We're going to get to that in a few minutes, Tracy. See how they stamped her out twice and they put this on there? So that's really cool as well. I like that. Let's see. Paris in spring. Another easel card. I do believe that a lot of these things are already there. You just put it on top, which would be great for me. Not a lot of worrying about that to do that. We'll see though. Glamorous gift ideas. You can make this box. And it says, let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy day. That is so cool. An Eiffel stepper. I have never made this kind of card before. I struggle with getting the dimensions, the lines cut and folded, but I may try it. I may give it a try because I want to continue to challenge myself. This is cute. Now, I'm not, as you all know, I'm not a big gold person, so that was one of the things I was like, I thought about it. I put the magazine down, came back to it, put the magazine down, came back to it, put the magazine down, came back to it, and so I finally picked it up and got it. Here we go. Focus on florals. That's really pretty. More easel cards. I guess easel cards are the thing right now. I'm glad I like easel cards. I'd be really upset. 50th birthday. This is really easy and simple to do. Very simple to do right here. Just stamp around and put whatever. You know, it could be 21st birthday, 60th, 10th. This is cute too. They have the dress forms. And it says Kit Parisienne card collection. So it shows you that it's actually in your little kit that you get. And we'll look at the kit in a few minutes because this magazine doesn't have a lot of pages in it, but some. And then we have this right here, black and gold. And again, I wouldn't use gold and black. I would probably do, you know, something else. But this could be cute for people that like black and gold. This looks like they embossed this right here. Let's see. Yep, they use some embossing, so that would be cool for you to do. I don't know why I don't like embossing. I guess because every time I do it, I feel like I fail at it. But I'm gonna keep trying, and then, you know, next year I'm just gonna get rid of all the stuff if it don't work out well. This is really cute. So they have the embossing folder in the background. They put some little diamonds on there. Can you see those little flat back diamonds? Faux diamonds. It says embossing folder in Paris, Parisian card collection, ink me, heart gatefold shaped card. So you would probably need to get that if it's not in the set. Black cardstock, a nesting die, a heart nesting die. So really you don't need that. You just need to make your gate kind of like a gatefold, get a heart, cut it in half, and put it on each side. And we'll probably do that. Again, you don't need everything that they're advertising and selling. It's nice to have, but you don't need it if you have some of the stuff already. Like this is cool. This says Flower Power. It looks like, what is this kind of card though? Can you see it? I don't know what kind of card it is, but it's just a regular card. I think it's a stand-up card. An aperture card, actually. It looks like an aperture card. But we'll see. I may try to make that or something similar to that. Now this I think is a cutout because our stamp faces the other direction, so that would be something. Or we probably could do a transfer type of situation, or actually just stamp on that side and put the girl on it and just call it a day and not be stressed out about it. Die cut delights. So these are all pieces I believe that's in the kit already. And here are some things that you can cut out, and it tells you how to cut out, which is good. I like that they do give you the layering piece on the die, because if not, that would be kind of crappy to do. So this is one, you know, one solid whole piece. Then you cut these little pieces out and put them on the inside. So that's really good to do, and you can do it with any color. They just, you know, I keep saying that they just did black and gold. The perfect present is in here. And we did get the presents. Again, they've done, this is, I'm going to try this one. I like this one. They just did some layering and cut it, which is fun. Always fun to do. Make your own background and layer things. And it says, behind the scenes, Alan is designing the latest products. He's over there getting it going. And look what they made. They made some shoes. How cool is that? I can't remember who it was, but I saw someone make shoes. And I was just like, that is dedication. I don't know if I have that dedication. All shapes and sizes, different cards. All kind of the same thing we just looked at the beginning. And then it says French Fancies. This is on the cover. We will be doing this one, so just keep that in mind. You do need some oval shapes or whatever, but you really don't, because you need a shape size to do that. But the way they did it is a little bit different. I would probably do mine, cut out the card and then stamp around it just to make sure I didn't make a mistake. And you see they took the jewelry or the cologne, the perfume bottle, and they put the Eiffel Tower behind there. And here she is stamped out, which is really cool. She's stamped and cut out on top, so she's layered. Not a bad thing to do. I love this so much. This is so pretty. I like when they use the stamps and they don't use it in the solid color like Brandy does. This is really cute. I like that one too. We'll be doing both of those. Very easy, and they have directions, which is cool. On your travels, this is cool how they did this one. It's like a little book. I may try this one. What is it called? This adorable travel journal. It's perfect for logging those precious holiday memories. And when they say holiday, they mean like vacation, not like American holiday, which is the holidays. Craft essentials. So when you get these kits, which is really cool, they have mostly everything inside for you for that particular thing. Put it on the glitz, more card things that we're going to get into. It's a pretty thick package, so I'm very interested to see what all is in there. The bad thing about it is that once you use it, it's gone. Like you can't, you can probably do things to get more if they have a way you can download it or not. I don't know. And if they do, when I get into those particular projects, I'll let you know. Another little like gatefold card. You see how they have it sitting there. It's really cute. I like that one a lot. The glasses. I do like shades a lot. I had a shade problem. Bought a lot of shades. And then I broke them. My little one got a hold of one and broke the arm off of one of them. And I was just like, okay. So I have, because I have vision issues because I wear glasses sometimes when I'm driving. And then the sun and the bright lights, just crazy. Look at this. Look at this. I like this. So this is called In Love with Letterpress. We won't get into details on it right now, but I'm going to, these will probably be one of the first projects that I do because I like that a lot. Very much so. Very cool. And I have to look into how they did it. So that's really pretty. This one right here as well. And then this one. Cool. Had a problem turning the page. Okay, so here we are, and we're almost finished. So I can go ahead and say it. Hunkydory does not have any other products in the magazine that are like their competitors, which is really cool that I've noticed, which is really nice, I guess. So it doesn't have a lot of the other UK brands in here. Mostly Hunkydory and probably their partners are in here, besides the magazine advertisement, which is cool. I like this. We could try this because, I did get that black trim from Sarah, that lace, so that would be cool to try out. I like this one. A little note, looks like a notepad, but it's a card, a length card. What is it? The 10, I think it's called A10 size, like the envelopes that we use for business. I just call them business envelopes. And that is the back of that. And then the lily pond. So mostly Hunkydory, everything Hunkydory products in here. So let's go ahead and look in this. I do want to apologize at the very beginning before I even pull out all this stuff for the glare. It's shiny. I don't have a diffuser on my camera set up. So I do apologize for that. So I did not look into too much of detail on how many you get in here, but look, you get this is already, everything is already cut out for you, so you don't even have to worry about that. You're spectacular, fashionista, adorable, scoreable, very pretty. You probably can go online and get more. And then look at this right here. Super cool images. The paper is pretty flimsy, nothing super thick. Front and back right here, that's cool. Now this right here, this card is card. It's card. As they say all across the pond. Very thick card. So you could probably fold that. I'm not sure what the instructions tell us to do for these. And this has the gold treatment trim on there. So I would have to look into all the instructions on this. I don't know how you can get additional kits. So you see she's opposite. I don't like these skirts. That's just me. I love this though. I love that. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this skirt. I think it's just too poofy. This is thin again paper. It has these little direct, the same thing on here is on nose. And then you have these cut aparts again. Very pretty cut aparts. All you gotta do is just plop them out and cut and glue or tape how they suggest. So this is our card kit from Hunkydory. Very much impressed with this kit. I don't think I'll buy a lot more like that, but I do think $25 is a large amount of money for crafting stuff in one setting. But I like it. You get this die, which was probably like $3 or $4. You know, you get this embossing folder, which is, let's just say $3 or $4. A stamp set, $3 or $4. So, you know, let's just say $3. So that's $9 right there already. And then all these little papers will probably be like $7, $10 maybe. So that's what, $20. And then the magazine. So I think it's a good deal. I just don't like spending that amount of money because I'm a cheapskate. Overall, I'm frugal with my coin because I don't get a lot of coin. I want to say thank you all for watching. If you did see anything in here you want me to try out besides the pull aparts, or if you saw anything that you want me to try to stamp out or whatever, let me know in the comment section below, and I will look into trying to see how you can get replacement pieces if you want to make multiple cards, because this is supposed to be the free stuff, right? No, this is a card making collection. You don't get free stuff in here. It all comes to make that. The other magazines say they have free stuff. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.